Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the topic given, is Credit Karma safe and secure to use? Credit Karma is a popular financial technology company that provides free credit scores and reports. Many people wonder if it's safe to use, since you're sharing sensitive financial information. The short answer is yes, Credit Karma is generally considered a safe and secure platform. They use several measures to protect your data. This includes 128-bit or higher encryption, which is a standard security protocol used by many banks. They also offer two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Credit Karma also has a strict privacy policy. They state that they will not sell your personal information, such as your credit reports or scores, to unaffiliated third parties for marketing purposes. This is a key concern for many users, and Credit Karma addresses it directly. They earn revenue through targeted advertisements for financial products and services, but this is based on your financial profile, not by selling your data to other companies. While Credit Karma is secure, it's important to remember that no online platform is completely immune to risks. It's always a good idea to take your own security precautions, like using a strong, unique password and enabling two-factor authentication. You should also be vigilant about phishing scams and only access your account through the official app or website. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.